Guys, I'm beyond excited about this next makeover. If you've seen any of my furniture flip videos, you might have noticed I really don't have a space to work at. And it's hard. Behind this door is our tiny little garage from 1968 that doesn't fit a modern car. I'm hoping, I can make a little workspace for myself in there. The thing is that it's also our storage because we don't have an attic or anything like that in this house. It's a huge mess. It's a mess and there's a lot of stuff, and I think this might be 2 or 3 part series because the first thing to do is just to organize and declutter, and there's gonna be a lot of that. So once again, get ready to be horrified because it's bad. It's messy, and I guess there's no way but up to go from here. Anyway, let's go and have a look and let's start this makeover. Oh no.
This is a place where everyone just quickly dumps things that aren't needed, and it's not functional, and this is the result. Please don't judge.
This back part is the part where I'm thinking of doing the workshop at. And then we have things like bikes and things we need to store here during the winter. So they still need space, and lots of things still need space. Like during the summer, I need to store winter stuff here, like Christmas decorations and everything. But I think I'm just gonna start to declutter and organize. Let's do this.
Since the space has gotten so messy, this first day is just going to be tidying up and sorting out trash. Only once the space is a bit tidier can I start to declutter better. But now I can show you what I have planned for this space.
Here is my very fancy to-scale blueprint of the garage. And what I'm thinking of doing is dividing this space into 2 by placing the existing cabinets that we already have somewhere around here. These would open here and these would open here. This would create a nice divide between the 2 spaces, and this space here is kind of like waste, so when the doors open here, there's a purpose for it. This side will be for the bikes, and then this side will be the workshop. I found the table of my dreams to go here, and it would have been the absolute perfect size because it's a small space. It was from Facebook Marketplace and it was 15 euros, but someone had bought it just before me, so that was a bummer. At the moment, I'm looking at a table that is quite large but a lot of fun, and it would stay here. I could have bar stools or something like that on both sides, so I could be working here and my son could be working there. And I would like to put the table on wheels so it's easy to move around if I need to work on the floor or if I need more space or anything. So this is the immediate plan. Later on, I would love to add IKEA Billy bookcases with doors all the way here and here. This would give me so much more storage and a really nice backdrop. I could have the table this way.
But for now it's still back to cleaning and decluttering.
Okay, it's day 2 of the makeover and I'm pretty happy with what I achieved yesterday. I have to get rid of a lot of stuff. We need more room in here. Okay, it's day number 3 and it doesn't look a lot better at the moment. I was doing a lot of organizing inside the cabinets, so you can't really see the progress that well. Today I'm just gonna continue getting rid of stuff and organizing, and I'm just really waiting to be able to go to the sorting station and get rid of trash because it's taking a lot of space. But yeah, I'm feeling a small bit of frustration at the moment. Day 4.
Today I want to get these big cabinets into their new places, but before that I have to take everything out of them. I couldn't do that before because I have nowhere to put all of the stuff. I need to get them back in quickly. I can't take anything outside because it's winter and there's snow and all. The hardest part of this makeover is working around all of this stuff. After I get the cabinets rearranged, I can start painting. Everything is obviously going to get painted. Ceiling, walls, the cabinets, everything. I spent a good amount of time vacuuming every surface.
This is how everything is looking at the moment. I know it's not looking like much, but it's a huge accomplishment. I'm so happy. Obviously, everything is going to get painted. So right now it just looks really, really bad. But I've cleared so much stuff. And I also have all these paints. So I'm gonna try and mix my own paint and just use the paints we already have, because why go to the store and buy something new again when you have like too many leftover paints? So I'm gonna mix something for this wall and then everything else will be like a soft white. Let's get to mixing. Part 2 is where all the pretty happens, so if you want to see how the workspace turns out, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching!